step into the Jeep 2018 Grand Cherokee Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio memory, GPS antenna input, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4/7 display, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.